Put an end to your craving for coffee with Fresco coffee maker from Morphy Richards. Be it home or workplace, Fresco coffee maker will satisfy your taste buds with hot, creamy espressos and cappuccinos. Made from high-quality material, this coffee maker delivers 4 cups of coffee at one go. Fresco coffee maker is easy to assemble and operate. Remove the tank cap at the top of the machine and fill water with the help of carafe. Then place the coffee filter into the portafilter and add grounded coffee powder into it. Press the coffee powder with the tamper and insert the portafilter into the appliance from the insert position and lock it firmly. Now, place the carafe on the removable drip tray and turn the knob towards water heat mark. You can check the water temperature on the thermal meter while the water is being heated. Refreshing coffee will start pouring into the carafe after 2 minutes. Once the desired volume of coffee is gained, turn the knob to pause position. Hot, rich espresso is now ready to be served. With Fresco coffee maker, you can also froth milk and make creamy cappuccino. To froth the beverage, simply put the steam tube into the beverage. Turn the control knob towards the steam mark and wait for the steam to come out. When the desired froth is obtained, you can make hot, creamy cappuccino and treat your taste buds. Bring home the amazing
Indulge in cafe-like coffees at home or your cozy workplace with the Kaffeto coffee maker from Morphy Richards. A truly distinctive coffee maker that brews espressos, cappuccinos and lattes at the touch of a button. Built with food-grade accessories, it's a barista you can bank on for safe and superior tasting coffees. It also makes brewing your favorite cup incredibly simple. Welcome to the demo of Morphy Richards Kaffeto Coffee Maker. Kaffeto Coffee Maker comes along with various in-box accessories and multiple coffee filters. For a steaming cup of cappuccino, let's start by detaching the milk reservoir from the Kaffeto Coffee Maker. Pour the desired amount of milk in the reservoir. Ensure the milk is at room temperature. Put the lid back on and place the reservoir back on the coffee maker. Next, take out the removable water tank and withdraw the rubber cap from beneath the tank. Use water at room temperature to fill the tank. Cover the tank using the lid and slide it down to ensure it fits tightly. Turn the coffee maker on, and as soon as the lights stop blinking, the coffee maker is ready to use. Meanwhile, let's choose an appropriate coffee filter. Select the double shot filter for a large cup. Place the double shot coffee filter over the porta filter and turn it to ensure it's locked. Spoon in roasted ground coffee and with the help of a tamper scoop, clean excess coffee from the rim. Place the porta filter beneath the brew head and turn it towards the right to align it with the lock symbol. Adjust the frothing tube and the froth control knob to make a frothy cup of cappuccino. Now let's make cappuccino with the press of a button. Press the cappuccino button once for a small cup and twice to brew a large cup of cappuccino. To add more foam, press and hold the cappuccino button for 3 seconds. Delicious cup of cappuccino is ready. Have the joy of making espresso and latte in a matter of minutes. Morphy Richards Kaffeto enhances coffee brewing and makes it simple. Kaffeto Coffee Maker also offers effortless cleaning. Just remove the drip tray, detach the porta filter and rinse it with water. Turn your home into your favorite coffee place with Morphy